Let me tell you a lie that's keeping your classes empty. You convinced yourself that you're an introvert and you don't have charisma. And maybe you watched other instructors with waitlists, packed rooms, where students were obsessed with them. And part of you thought they were just born with it. I'm not like that. I'm not everybody's cup of tea. You see, charisma is not something that you're born with. It's a collection of skills, learnable, trainable, and repeatable skills. And I'm the living proof. When I created Inferno Hot Pilates, I spoke very little English. Imagine that, standing in front of people, heart racing, nervous, sweating, looking for words to explain of what I want them to do. I could feel my chest tighten, my hands shaking, wanting to say the right words, hoping that they will come out right and not leave me standing there feeling embarrassed. And here's the crazy part. I was extremely introverted. I was not the loud girl. I wasn't born on stage, but I learned these skills, every single one. And the moment I learned them, everything changed. So listen carefully, because what I'm about to share might completely change how you see teaching. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Here's what most instructors don't understand. The more technical you become, the easier it is to disconnect from human beings. And this is why overqualified instructors often struggle the most, because they think more information creates more value, and it doesn't. I watched instructors lecture the room, over-explain, using very detailed cues, and while they were talking, the students were mentally leaving. And you could totally see it. Blank stares, people checking their watches, looking around. In the meanwhile, the newer instructor with half the knowledge was filling the room, using motivation, encouragement, and excitement. And somehow their classes kept growing. Why? Because people don't come to class to get lectured. They come to feel alive. Most people have been sitting at the desk for 8 hours, disconnected from their body, from themselves, and from each other. And they don't need more complicated cues. They need to feel successful. They need to feel safe and capable, and they need to feel seen. And maybe this whole time you thought your empty classes meant you needed another certification. You need another workshop. But what if the problem was never the lack of knowledge? What if you simply weren't taught how to move people emotionally? Because the instructors with waitlists aren't necessarily more qualified. They just learn how to make people feel good. And as you begin to understand this, you start realizing why some classes feel like magic. You see, simple is the name of the game. Simple movements, simple language. It gives your students simple wins, because simple creates confidence, and confident students come back for more. And that's what changes lives. We are not in the business of spewing out technical mumbo jumbo. We are in the business of relationship. We're in a relationship business, and we're selling feelings. You got one job: make your students feel good. Now, this is super important. When your students are walking in, they need to see. They need to see an instructor who's sharp, excited, and the expert. Students decide within seconds upon walking in whether they like you or not. Not after class and not after seeing your certifications. You have 30 seconds to make the first impression. For that, you have to look sharp. You cannot look like cat in the little box, looking all lost, not knowing what day it is. A powerful instructor owns the room. Before even speaking one word, stand up tall, take up space, breathe deeply, and feel aware. People trust certainty, and certainty is communicated through your body before you even open your mouth. Number 2 is excited, because excitement is contagious. You're communicating with your energy that they are about to participate in a fun and a life-changing experience. If your energy is flat, then the room's energy will be flat too. But when you walk in bright-eyed, present, alive, people wake up, because deep down, people are starving for passion. They want to feel alive. Most people live the same day over and over. Get up, work, stress, sleep, and repeat. And your class is the best part of their day. Now, let that land. Number 3 is expert. Now listen carefully. Expert does not mean knowing everything. It means certainty and confidence, clear leadership. Avoid apologizing and avoid second guessing. People follow certainty, not perfection. And here's another mistake that ruins classes. Upon check-in, instructors talk only people that they already know. Meanwhile, the new student stands there feeling invisible. Make them feel seen. Make them feel important. Make them feel like they belong. Because people don't care how much you know. They want to know how much you care. I worked with a studio owner who used to think that half-full classes were a success. Well, it was just good enough. After taking my teacher training, she started to have sold-out classes. I mean, mat-to-mat people, imagine that. 2 weeks early, once the booking window opened. And this happened regardless of the location, because she owns 5. Regardless of the time and regardless of the day. When students saw her name on the schedule, they make time. Another instructor was the quietest in the room. No fitness background, not loud, not flashy. Now students call the studio asking for him by name because he learned our charisma framework, and that allowed him to create connection and presence in all his classes. And once he practiced and dialed it in, everything shifted. Then there was a yoga studio owner, traditional lineage, deep anatomy knowledge, years of experience, and he couldn't understand why his yoga classes were half full, while Inferno Hot Pilates classes were sold out. So he came to our teacher training and he realized that people stayed because they feel uplifted, not lectured. He sent all his instructors to our teacher training, and within 1 year, his memberships doubled. And not because he changed the lighting, the heat, or the flooring, he changed the experience. Here's what happens when instructors finally get this. Their whole life changes. Not just their classes, their identity, their confidence, their relationships. I mean, everything. You see, most people out there are looking for purpose. The Japanese call it ikigai, doing what you love, doing what you're great at, doing what the world needs, and you're getting paid for it. That's what happens with Inferno. Your classes become full. You stop surviving and you start living. Imagine walking into your studio and hearing, when is she teaching? When is she coming back? Can I reserve now? Imagine being requested, respected, giving prime time slots, travel the world, open your own studio, creating something that changes lives, and realizing it all started the moment when you said yes and started to believe in yourself. And here's the truth. Future instructors never ever start because they think I'm too introverted or I'm too quiet. And the existing instructors, after years of certifications, give up. They go back to their 9 to 5 and tell themselves, I'm just not cut out for this. You see, you don't have to be that person. You don't have to become that person. Charisma is magic and structure. It's presence, it's certainty, and it's learnable. We have the proven formula. And the moment you stop waiting and you go all in, where you take massive action and you become and be who you always meant to be, is the moment people finally start pay attention. And if this hit home, the next video is the one that started it all. How to go from empty classes to sold out rooms without getting another certification. That's where I tell the full story, speaking zero English, completely introverted, and teaching 79 people in a studio that never seen over 30. In the middle of the last recession, worst time slot, worst conditions, and still it exploded. Go watch it. I'll see you there.